Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. So first things first today, I wanted to wish you a happy new year. I hope your celebration was fun and exciting if you wanted it to be, or if you were like me who just wanted to stay home. I had a fabulous, wonderful, relaxing day, just hanging out at home, watching movies, a little bit of work here and there, but mostly naps and movies. And then I rang in the new year with my girls and my husband and a hot cocoa with Bailey's in it. So it was a lovely day all around. So regardless of how you guys spent your New Year's, I hope it was a good one for you. So this time of year, it is really fun to look back and kind of look at what you have accomplished in the past year. So I thought today would be fun to share with you some of my favorite projects which I have shared on my channel this past year in 2019. So I have rounded up a few of my favorite things that I did and I shared with you guys on my channel, and I'm just going to quickly recap them today, and there will be links in the description box if you want to check out any of those videos. So let's go ahead and take a look at my favorites for 2019. My first favorite of the past year was my backyard garden makeover. This project actually started the previous summer, where I started thinning out some of the plants that I didn't want, moving and transplanting other plants. But this past summer was when everything sort of just came together and I was able to finish off like the edging and adding new mulch and that sort of thing, and I absolutely loved how it turned out, and it is now one of my favorite places to be during the summertime. Just me and the dogs out in the backyard enjoying the fresh air and the beautiful flowers. My second favorite project of the year was my dining room table, which I was able to transform into something that looked much better with my home decor. The table makeover made such a big difference in the whole look of the dining room, and I absolutely love how it turned out. And since we're on the subject of tables, my third favorite project for the past year was this Ruffled table runner, which I made from a vintage sheet. I absolutely love the pattern, the color, the ruffled on the edge, and I am so excited to use this table runner over and over again. It is just absolutely gorgeous, and I love how it turned out. My fourth favorite project for this past year was my sofa's slipcover. I shared with you how I make quick and easy pillowcases for each of the cushions on my sofa, which makes faking the look of an expensive slipcover super quick and easy. And finally, my fifth favorite project is this side table, which I refinished to look like this. I loved how this turned out. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think this is one of my favorite furniture makeovers I have ever done. I love the way the wood tone looks very old and rustic, and I love it paired with the brass handles and the white painted bottom of the cabinet. I just think it turned out absolutely beautiful. As for whole room seasonal decor, I had two looks this past year in my living room which I absolutely loved. The first one being the look I put together for my spring decor. I very much enjoyed the fresh, light-filled space filled with gorgeous fabrics, lots of patterns and colors, and I just thought it was so cheerful and just made me very, very happy. The second look which I enjoyed in this room very much was my fall decor. When I decorated for fall this year, I stepped out of my comfort zone a little bit in the fact that I used different colors this year, which I don't normally use. I brought in a lot of wood-toned items, yellows and oranges, and I really like how it turned out, and it was kind of fun to do something a little different. Even though at the very beginning of the project I was a little worried that it wouldn't work out, but it did, and I really liked the end result. So those were my favorites from 2019. I hope you liked that little sneak peek of those. And like I said before, if you missed any of those videos, links will be down in the description box where you can check those videos out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun sort of looking back, and now I am hoping that I can get some feedback from you. So a few of the things that I want to start doing here on my channel for sure is have a few more DIY projects, whether it be crafting projects or, you know, things that I want to build, that sort of thing. Because I was looking back last year, I thought I had more of that sort of thing, and I love making things like that, but I thought I had more of that, so I would like to add some more of those kind of videos here on my channel. And also I would like to be able to do some more decorating videos. Maybe not so much whole room decorating, but like, you know, a tablescape for like my living room table, or like a side table or something like that. Just little mini home decor spruce ups on a more regular basis, instead of, because typically I do whole room makeovers when I want to change things out for a new season. But I thought this would be a little more fun, and then I get to decorate a little bit more this way. So those are just a few ideas which I have come up with for, you know, doing things a little differently this year on my channel. So I would love to know down in the comments if you have any suggestions on what type of videos you would like to see from me. I know in the past people have asked me to do a little bit more of like cooking videos and things like that, which is not something that I've gotten into in the past, but I could definitely start doing if people are interested in. But if you have any ideas, I would love for you to leave them down in the comments for me, just to give me a kind of idea of where you guys are at and what you would like to see from me, because that is very, very helpful. So leave me a comment down below, let me know, and I would very, very much appreciate that. And before I go today, I just want to thank you all for stopping by and hanging out with me and watching my videos and becoming subscribers of my channel. It means the world to me, and I had so much fun this past Christmas season exchanging Christmas cards with a lot of you, and it just brings in that personal connection, which I hope that I can continue to nurture with you guys, because for me that is like what this is all about. Being able to share something that I am passionate about with people who are passionate about the same sort of item or, you know, thing is just so much fun, and it makes it so rewarding. And the fact that you guys come back time and time again to watch my videos just is amazing to me, and I feel as if we're like this little community of friends, and I just think that is just so cool. And I know that my channel has grown the last year, and I hope that it will continue to grow, and that you guys will stick with me and be with me for the long haul here for this next year and all that it entails here on my channel and in my life. So I'm hoping to share most of it with you. I know I haven't been doing very many vlogs lately, but I am thinking about maybe starting that up again a little bit. I'm not real sure, but we'll see. But anyways, just thank you for subscribing to my channel and being part of my life. I very much appreciate that. So, yes. So anyway, so just thank you. I appreciate your support and your viewership very, very much. I just wanted you to know that. So, with all that being said, I wanted to keep this video very, very short, but I think I might have chatted a little too long. But a lot of you tell me that you like my chatty videos, so you won't be worried too much. But I guess that is it for me today. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking about for the new year from me. What kind of videos would you like to see? And I would appreciate the feedback very, very much. And I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.